Have you ever wondered how we know about our past? Historical knowledge relies heavily on surviving sources. These are traces of history that help us understand what happened. Sources come in many forms: written documents, artifacts, oral traditions, and media. Each type holds valuable information about earlier times. Understanding these sources is crucial. What survived and what was lost reflects societal values. Archives are not just storage, they reveal historical circumstances. Knowing how sources were created and kept helps us interpret them. Historians use various methods to sift through these sources. One key method is source criticism. This approach evaluates the authenticity and significance of documents. It involves examining a source's origin and its author's credibility. Next is comparative analysis. Here, historians look at multiple sources to find patterns. By comparing different accounts, they can spot contradictions and support their interpretations. Contextualization is another method. Sources must be placed in their historical and social contexts. Their meaning often depends on the world around them. Historians also use interdisciplinary approaches. They draw insights from fields like archaeology, sociology, and economics. This enriches their understanding of the past. Now, let's talk about objectivity. Can historians be completely objective? Historically, many believed yes, especially in the 19th century. They thought rigorous methods could reveal the past as it really was. However, this idea has faced challenges. Many historians argue that our interpretations are subjective. Howell and Pravenia contend that historical knowledge is influenced by the historian's perspective. This doesn't mean all interpretations are valid. There are rigorous methods that help assess historical claims. Richard J. Evans highlights the importance of adhering to standards. Historians can achieve a form of objectivity by following these practices. They recognize their perspectives while striving for accuracy. In summary, understanding historical sources and methods is vital. Sources are diverse and pivotal to our historical narrative. Historians use critical methods to interpret these sources effectively. They aim for a balanced view, recognizing the limits of objectivity. Now that you understand the foundations of historical inquiry, explore these topics further. Check out related videos and engage with the historical context around you.